A 6-member committee established by the Minister of Health, Kwabena Mintah Akandoh, to investigate the alleged assault of a nurse at the Greater Accra Regional Hospital has presented its findings to the minister. The committee reported the medical records showed the nurse, Rejoice Tsotso Bortei, did not suffer any fractures or dislocations as initially claimed. According to the report, there was no medical evidence to support assertions that the rotation nurse sustained a shoulder dislocation during the incident at Rejoice Hospital. Presenting the report on Wednesday, August 27th, the committee chairman, Dr. Lawrence Buedu, explained that the nurse reported her injuries on August 18th, a day after the alleged assault. However, medical examination revealed no evidence of fracture on her left wrist or dislocation of her left shoulder joint, as documented in her records. The findings further indicated that the nurse received treatment, was given pain relief medication, and advised to rest. She was also placed under psychological care to support her recovery.
He found out there was no delay in attending to a patient with suspected head injury who was brought to the emergency and who was the cause of agitation by one Mr. Ralph Williams and the motorbike riders, that the patient had been abandoned and there was a delay of care. However, the committee found out that all the diagnosis images or equipment that the emergency was supposed to use to facilitate care were not functioning. And thus, images requested for the said patient had to be done outside the facility after the initial care had been given. And the committee realized that could have been the contributing factor of the perceived delay of the care of that client. Another factor that escalated into alleged assault of a health professional. Honorable Minister, the committee also found out that although there is videos evidence of verbal or word altercation between one Mr. Raff, his colleagues, and the staff members of the hospital, we are yet to receive any video evidence or a witness account of an alleged physical attack or altercation. There is, however, documentation in the hospital health information management system that the alleged victim, that's Ms. Rejoice Tsotso Bortei, who is a rotation nurse, reported her injury to the hospital the day after the incident, that's on the 18th, and was further treated. There was no evidence of fracture on her left wrist or dislocation of her right shoulder joint as documented by the medical records. She was, however, had been treated at the time we visited. Had been given some pain relief, he was been recommended for a bed rest, and also has received psychological support care. The third objective, the state of security at the hospital.
Meanwhile, Rejoice Tsotso Bortei has filed a civil lawsuit against social media personality Ralph St. Williams, seeking 7 million Ghana cedis in damages for alleged physical assault and defamation related to the incident.